Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you a crazy picking exercise by Malmsteen. If you want to improve your picking speed and accuracy, this is a great exercise for you. I advise you to start practicing with the slow tempo and then increase your speed gradually. Let's get started. But before that, if you haven't watched yet, check out my how to play fast video. In that video you will see all the details about alternate picking and you will learn how to practice efficiently. You can find the link in the description and the notification card upper right of the screen. Okay guys, thanks for watching. The song name is Finale and the tuning is E flat originally, but I'm playing with the standard tuning guitar. I think this is the best for all the students. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button next to it, and I hope to see you on my upcoming videos. Cheers guys, bye.